In this video, I will be showing you how to make a greeting card in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start on the Canva home screen and move my cursor to the search bar, where I'll type in greeting card to browse the available templates. After the results load, I'll scroll through the various designs to find one that catches my eye. I really like this pink and beige floral congratulations card, so I'll click on it to see the preview and then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the design loads, I'll begin personalizing it. First, I'll click on the text that says "For Your Success" and change it to "On Your Graduation." I'll adjust the spacing slightly to make sure it looks centered. Next, I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and search for Graduation to find some themed graphics. I'll select a graduation cap, then click and drag its corners to resize it before placing it over the floral bouquet. To add another detail, I'll pick a rolled diploma with a ribbon, resize it, and rotate it so it sits naturally under the graduation cap. I'll even flip it horizontally to better fit the composition of the card. Now, I'll click on the name at the bottom and replace it with Samantha Smith. To finish the design, I'll search for some stars and add a few small decorative sparkles around the text and the graduation cap. I'll take a final look at the layout to make sure everything is perfect. Finally, I'll go to the Share button in the top right corner, click Download, keep the suggested PNG format, and hit the Download button to save the finished card to my computer.